fixing it to the end, thusly holding it for 6 to 10 seconds, at which point it will be affixed thusly. Do you see? Now, what would happen if this was exposed to heat? The hot glue would melt and then the screw would fall off. We would have a very clear and visible sign that this has succumbed to the power of the heat, yes?
Yes.
By the way, if there was a thermal protection system attached to this, that would also indicate the failure of the thermal protection system, correct?
Correct.
All right, now, this little dollop of hot glue is what you are going to provide thermal protection for. Now let me show you the source of the heat. Are you ready? By the way, the first time I push it, it's almost always a misfire, so it's sort of anticlimactic. The source of the heat. And again, the source. Are you prepared? Are you prepared to gasp and work?
Yes.
The source of the heat. Now, your wooden dowel first, with the screw on the end, brass, is going to be affixed just like this. Notice the proximity to the flame. Notice how the flame is pointing directly at that wooden dowel. Now, there's no thermal protection system here, is there?
No.
So let's see how long this will last without any thermal protection. Do I have somebody who will do the timing for me? Kevin, you were first. You know how to run one of these things, right? Okay. Now, those of us in the sciences know that if we're going to test this before we make any changes at all, and provide any thermal protection system at all, that must mean that this is the control. So we are going to... Now, by the way, you don't have to do the control the very first time. A lot of people think before you do anything, you got to do the control. You don't have to do the control right away. You can do the control any time you want. Sometimes I'll test a couple thermal protection systems and then I'll do the control. It's not true that you have to do it right away. All right, here we go. Kevin's ready to go. I don't think this is going to be a misfire, but it might be. Okay. On the count of 3, I'm going to point at you and then you hit it. Ready? Okay. Be prepared. I got to be quick.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. And get ready, and bam!
And failure.
5.13 seconds.
5.13 seconds. Now, I'm a math guy, so in my classroom, I don't let my kids say 5.13. I make them say it the official way, 5 and 1300. So the control was 5 and 1300 seconds.